In this video, I'm about to show you how to renew your driving license online in Chicago. First, navigate to your web browser and search for Renew Driving License Chicago. Next, click the link to visit Illinois Gov website. Once on the site, you'll see a Renew a Driver License section. To get started, click the Go to Service button here. It'll display all the services and on-screen instructions to renew your license. To obtain an Illinois driver's license, you must visit a Secretary of State facility, show required identification documents, and have your photo taken. Surrender all valid out-of-state license, state ID cards, and commercial driver's licenses. Then, pay the appropriate fee and pass the proximate exam, vision screen, written, and/or driving. When all requirements are completed, a temporary secure paper driver's license, valid for 90 days, to serve as the DL state ID for driving purposes. The proof of identification until the permanent DL or state ID arrives in the mail within 15 business days. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.